What's up, guys? Welcome to another little skit with the Bassinator. This morning I'm here at Reitflei Zoo, or Reitflei, I think it's Reitflei Zoo, a little place called Fun Fishing. Um, Small little dams here for the bass. Just gonna come give it a try. Had a few hours to spare, so yeah, just wanna see if I can catch some fishies here and see how it goes. Let's get the fishing going. Sweet.
Yeah, I caught a couple of little ones in that dam last week. Nothing so far on this one. So yeah,
It's very small. I thought it was a bit bigger than this.
yeah.
Can you go right around, or is it only here?
There's one little spot just by this dustbin,
Yeah.
and on that side's a lot of what do you call them?
Lily pads and stuff. But that's good for frogging, though. Eh?
Yeah.
Let me go check it out. Thanks. Oh. Oh no. Huh. That's weird. Yeah. And braid broke. I must have had a kink. Well, there goes my frog.
Are you using a braid?
Flip, that was weird.
That's not supposed to happen.
Not at all. Oh, jeez. Right in the deep stuff, though.
Are you using plastic?
Top water frog, eh?
Oh.
And it hit me twice, and as I struck, it just snapped. So I must have had a kink somewhere in the. It's no good. Never expected that to happen. There we go. On a froggy, little fishy, not so bad, funny little colour, but on the Savage Gear frog. Well, the ice has been broken. See, they're in the deep stuff, they're not in the.
It doesn't make it much easier because
Yeah, I know. You got to cast like far left to get it into the spot you want. So guys, it's super windy here at Fun Fishing. As you saw, I caught the one little fish on frog, and I lost one like on my second or third cast. So and it actually snapped my braid. I don't know, I think I had a kink in the braid or something was wrong. It wasn't a very big fish to snap. I think it's what, 30 odd pound line. But yeah, so let's check out this little new area with all these lilies. I'm sure frog will be pretty cool here. So yeah, let's try to get these bessies. So yeah guys, it's getting very windy and cold. This morning didn't look like it was going to be like this, but it's looking miserable. So yeah, not looking good for the fishing. These things have been caught quite a few times though. I mean, just look at how injured he is there. And his line in his gut. You see that line there? No, and you won't get that up because it's right in there, but you should poop it out. There it is. Look at it. Oh, there's a bite already. A lot of rocks there, you can feel the rocks dragging. I don't think it's very deep dam this. Cool, you too. So guys, I'm trying a little bit of mojo with a stretch 60 secret baits, black with red glitter. I've caught that one with it so far. It was on my first cast, and you feel them nibbling. So I think there's a lot of small fish in this dam, because as you're dragging along the ground, you feel them nibbling, but not really taking it. So yeah, I don't think, I've heard that there's a handful of big fish in here, but yeah, I haven't really seen them, so not too sure about it. And anything else? I'm catching a few, yeah. There's another one. Stretch 60 secret bait. Oopsie doopsie. Stop. And another little small one. So as you guys see, lots of little small ones coming out. And that was pretty much dead sticking it. Yeah, so that's what's here, I guess. So fishing has been fun, but no big fish came out. I think I've caught 4 or 5 in the 2-3 hours that I've been here. All small fish, and yeah, I think maybe in a better day with better weather, maybe a better fish will come out. I don't know. But this place it's very nice. It's more of like a place you bring your wife and kids to, and you come and chill and catch some bass and carp and gopro and all that. But it's not like a very serious fishing place. So I thought I'd check it out and have a little bit of fun here. And yes, I would probably bring my kids and my wife here, just have a bit of a picnic and try and catch a few small bass and all that. But other than that, yeah, it was an alright day. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Get it out there if you like bass fishing. Anyways guys, have a good one. Peace.